Alright, so you can see it's a beautiful sunny day here in Australia, and I've been doing a little bit of work off camera, which I didn't really want to film because it wasn't really too exciting, and you can see the whole garage is a bit of a mess once again. But I've been putting up a shelf here, so I pretty much just did two battens here and here, and just put a steel shelf. It's not attached and it's actually upside down, but there's going to be another shelf that's going to be up here, which is probably going to just be one of these that's sitting here. But yeah, it's going to add a lot more space, and you know, I can hang stuff off the brackets that are here. But other than that, I haven't really accomplished too much. Been really into the whole GoPro Hero 7 like cinematic videos, as people have seen. If you haven't checked out one of my best videos this year, it's Welcome to Sydney, Australia. Link's going to be in the description, so go check it out. But the whole shelf is just a little bit of a DIY thing, and just to add more space. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, that's it guys.